In this session, let us see how we can pass structure to functions. In this code, we have a structure student with the following members, having the variable name of the structure as S1. In lines 16 through 18, we assign the values 66, 1 and B to the member variables roll number, year and section. Lines 19 through 24 print out the values of the member variables. However, note in line 22, we call a function called as show department and pass in the structure member variable department. Show department is defined here that returns a string IT back to the caller. So let us build and run this code. You belong to IT department. In this program, we have a structure student again with the same member variables. We assign the values in lines 22 to 25. And note in line 27, we call a function show student info and pass in the structure variable S1. So in the previous program, we passed in a particular member of the structure, and in this program, we are passing the structure itself as an argument to the function. And show student info is defined here, wherein we print the values of the member variables. Let us build and run this code. We see we get one warning and two errors. This is because the function show student info does not understand this structure student, or the visibility of the structure student is not available to the function show student info. So what we can do is, as shown in this program, we can have the structure definition or the declaration of the structure outside the main so that it is visible to the function show student info. Let us now try to build and run this code. This also shows a warning and two errors. That is because still it is not visible to the function. The structure student is still not visible to the function. So we can move this code above the definition so that the structure definition is visible to the function show student info. Let us build and run this code. In this program, we have modified the previous program so that we have defined a separate function called as fill student info and assign the values of the structure member variables within the function. So fill student info does not take in any argument but returns a structure. So within the function, we assign the following values to the structure S1 that has been declared here and return S1. Also note, S1 is static so that we ensure the data is not lost when the structure is returned from the function. And we have another function, show student info, that prints the values of the member variables of the structure S. And within main, we call show student info and pass an fill student info as the parameter to assign the values and then print out the results. Let us build and run this code. So in this session, we have seen how to pass a structure variable or the structure itself as a parameter or an argument to a function. Thank you.